Welcome, welcome. This is Arna, and today I'm going to show you how to use the HTML editor to modify predefined report templates. Now, what's a report template? The active system has a number of predefined templates, and you can see them listed here. These templates are either emailed or printed based on some event. That event could be a wedding anniversary date that triggers a wedding anniversary card, or it could be an action on the website like a member sign up or a purchase, which would trigger an email, or it could be an action by an operator. What I'm going to do in this demonstration is walk you through editing of an existing template. We'll do some simple formatting of that template. Then we'll send ourselves a sample of that template and review the email, and if necessary, repeat these steps again. So let's hop over to Active Club. Templates are kept in the job queue. That's that icon here on the left. I'm going to click on it, and let's maximize this window. These are, you can see up here, I've set the search for POS templates. So these are the templates for the POS. These are receipts and the such that come out from the printer. These fields that you see here, these are table and column or field names in the database. These are all defined in the help manual, and you can get help with this from support as well if you need to modify these field names. Let's go and have a look at email templates. Here is one for the cart confirmation letter. This is a sale confirmation. These are used when the credit cards are processed post-sale. Here is a bad credit card letter. This is if you have you're doing a club run and you've got a card that doesn't go through, you can send this letter out. It'll get them to change it. This is the anniversary, the club anniversary card, birthday card. Here is a wedding anniversary card. And obviously, these are just examples that are the default setup in your database. Go down and look at some sales receipts. Here's a sales receipt that actually is sent from the POS. If you email the receipt from the POS, this would be a shopping cart sales receipt. That one is using a PDF file, so let's have shopping cart. There we go. Different one. This one. There we go. There's a sales receipt containing all the package information, tracking numbers, so on. Now the HTML, let's go back to the bad credit card letter, the simple one, which we're going to be working on today. Is this one. All these predefined templates are written in sort of pseudo HTML that understands carriage returns and line feeds, so that you can very easily create templates without having to deal with HTML at all. You can insert small amounts of HTML, like you can see here is bolding. There's some coloration going on of the text. Also, under the options, there are this, what we call the HTML surround, which is the logo, this address, and the footer. These can be altered here. You can have the logo only. You can have signature only. You can have logo signature without the club information displaying, no address information displaying, so on. Let's pick a signature only, save it, refresh it. Come back here, you see now the logo's gone. Just got the signature at the bottom. Let me set it back to normal, save it, and there is our bad template letter. So let's change it. So I'm going to bring up some transactions that were declined. And let's just send ourselves an existing. Well, first of all, let's edit the template. So I'm going to right click, which I can also do from up here. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to email job template. I'm going to, three options on all of these down here. You have these all of the same. You have the option to send it, send a sample, which goes to yourself, or edit it. We're going to edit it. So up it comes in the editor, and here it displays that template. Only that one template that we're focusing on. Let's go and make the changes. So let's maximize that window. I'm going to turn the auto save off, control when I'm saving it. And because it's now straight HTML, all those carriage return line feeds that we have mean nothing to HTML. So that's why it's just all one string, because this is the HTML of that file or template. So I'm going to go and insert some paragraphs. I'm going to click here between the 1 and the U, go up and pick this icon called New Paragraph. That will split that into a paragraph. The username, I want that into a paragraph. And I want this here also to be a paragraph. So this sends the customer their login name, not the password, because we don't email those, but they can request that password from the website. Here is the details of their profile. This profile, we're going to change that into a paragraph and pick heading 3. See what happened? Now the rest of it, I want to just use line breaks rather than paragraphs. And that's done here. I've got an icon here where I can open this little guy, and I pick line break. You see how it breaks the line? I'm going to do one more line break there. Get a line break after the name, line break after the address, and we'll give it one more line break so it's got a space. We'll go here and give it a line break, and another line break, and a line break here. This will display the credit card number, the last 4 that is, the reason for the failure. We have some text here at the bottom, and we want another paragraph. So we're going to go up, click on the just before thank you, click on the paragraph button, and there we have it. Save it. Let's preview it. See, it looks good. Let's go look at the HTML. You see how it's totally changed what we had before to now it's in straight HTML, which I'm sure you don't want to know what that means, but here is our bad credit card letter. So let's try it out. So I'm going to go back to my transactions. Now I can see it here, be able to preview it here, but I'm previewing it with all those field tags. but it gives us an idea of what I did. It looks good. But the final result, we'll do a send sample. So right-click, email job template, email Brad credit card letter, send sample. It throws it in the job queue. It'll run, and eventually I will receive that email, and here it is. And you can see that I really don't have a very good spacing going on here. I got the address and the city all in one line. So I need another line break there. The rest looks like, I don't like that red color. I want my thank you to be changed. And obviously in real life, you'd be changing many other things too, but that's, to keep this simple, that's all I'm going to change. Go back to Active Club. Come back here, and we need a line break after the city. Click on my line break snippet again, and so it did. Now I would like to change the color of this text, and we're going to go to the text colorization icon. Click here. I'm going to make it purple. And I have purple text. Let's change this word down here, this words. Thanking you very much. I'm going to save it. Then we will try another sample. Again, I can preview it here, see the results. You can see the line break I put in here. You can see the blue, and you can see the thanking you very much. Let's have a look at the real McCoy. Email, bad credit card letter, send sample, and go back to my email system and count to 10, and there it is. There's my bad credit card letter sample, which looks good. I've got my space here, my line break there, got my purple text. I've got this change down there, and that's all I wanted to do. So I'm done. This is ready to go, and I am done. So that's all there is to it. Thanks a lot for coming. I'll see you again next time.